everyone. I just want to take a couple minutes to walk through the setup on Cricut for the changing scene cards. Today I just updated the files. It is October 17th, 2019. If you have downloaded those files before today, I recommend that you log into shop.lorywhitlock.com and go to your completed orders and re-download the files so you get the newest files. But I'm going to walk you through how to set up these newest files to cut. I've solved the problem where the little cut lines didn't want to cut across the graphics. So anyways, they'll be a lot easier for you to use now. So first thing you'll want to do is ungroup the pieces. And then you'll want to select the little turkey piece. And I'm going to move it just so that you can see the card and the turkey are grouped together. I'm going to undo that, put it back in place, and just with one single tap, you're going to flatten the turkey to that card base. It'll take it just a second. And that brought the piece to the front, so you'll want to arrange that by sending it to the back. And then you can see those lines again on top of the turkey. So select the card and the lines and then just attach those together. Okay, once those are attached, that piece is ready to go. And then we want to work on this piece here. Again, with one single tap, you'll be selecting the card base and the words, and I'll move that so you can see. And then I'm going to undo that to put it back in place. So just select it with one tap. The way I've grouped it, these are sticking together nicely for you. Go ahead and flatten the graphics to the background, and then again we'll have to arrange that by sending it to the back, and then you'll select across the card and the score lines and the cut lines through the middle, and then we want to attach those lines. Okay, so now that piece is ready. So then we just need to do the card base, and all we need to do for that is attach. And then we have the little pull tab here, and again just go ahead and flatten, and then that brought it to the front, so you'll want to select that, send it to the back, and now you can see those score lines. So we'll select both the score lines and the tab and attach. Of course, we don't want to cut the little words here. This is just a guide just in case your file doesn't look like it's the right size. But it should open at 100%. So now we're ready to just press make it. And that will sort out your mats. Here's your print and cut pieces, and then all the way through all of your different colors. And it looks like our score lines are all staying right where they should. And we are good to go. So you could go ahead and continue and move on through the cutting process. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Everything should be good to go on this file now. So let me know if you need anything. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.